Hello. Yes, good evening, everyone. Good evening. A very good evening, everyone. Good evening, Puneet, Payal, Sudhanshu, vlog with quote. Okay. Hey guys, how are you guys? I think you know me, who I am. Okay. Yes, good evening, good evening. How are you guys? Please let me know. Okay, 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 good, good. Everyone is fine. Okay, first of all, uh, let me ask you some questions. Okay, so I have taken uh, Flask full stack development bootcamp, right? And I already have issued certificates. Okay, so who haven't received certificate yet? Please let me know. कौन कौन सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिला किस किस का? प्लीज लेट मी नो. किसका किसका सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिला यहाँ पे? Manish Chaudhary, Air Force. Please wait, Manish. I will tell you everything. Okay. अच्छा मिल गया बट नॉट वेरीफाइड आ रहा है. मुझे पता है जय, एक्चुअली जो हमारा सिस्टम है, सिस्टम में थोड़ा सा ग्लिच है. उसमें हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं. उस ग्लिच को ठीक हो जाने के बाद वो वेरीफाइड आ जाएगा. ओके, प्रोबेबली 2-3 दिन में वो ठीक हो जाएगा. जय, डोंट वरी. इंटर्नशिप का एक्सेप्टेंस लेटर मिल जाएगा, कोई बात नहीं. यस, इज इट इट इज फ्री. Okay, I'm not talking about offer letter, guys. Okay, I'm talking about certificate. Those who attend Flask class, full stack development class. Okay, I'm talking about the certificate who attend Flask full stack development class. Okay, not internship offer letter, because I know uh, I haven't released the offer letter yet. अच्छा, जिस जिसको सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिला, पाइथन फ्लास्क फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट का जिस जिसको सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिला, ओके, जस्ट टेक्स्ट मी. ओके, टेक्स्ट मी इन. सबके पास मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर है, आई गेस. ओके, आई होप everyone have my WhatsApp number. Okay, please text me with your name. Okay, uh, like like uh, Akshaya. Okay, so just drop me a message like my name is Akshaya and I haven't received full stack development certificate. Okay. ओके, तो जिस जिसके पास भी नहीं है मेरा नंबर, ओके, तो जस्ट लुक योर ग्रुप एडमिन. ओके, you just look your group admin, okay, and the number start from 7003. Okay, my number is start from 7003. Okay, there are two or three admin, I guess, in our group. Okay, and look for a admin whose number start from 7003. Okay, so that's my number actually. Message me that with your name, like, hi sir, my name is XYZ and I haven't received my full stack development certificate. Okay, instantly I will send the certificate link. Okay, okay, huh. Or please stay tuned, everyone. During the class, attendance link will be provided. Don't miss the attendance. Okay, okay. I got your message. I got your message. I got your message. Okay, just not just write hello sir, hi sir, not just write hello sir, my name is XYZ and I haven't received my certificate of Python full stack development. Okay, just put this total message, not just a single message like a hi sir or hello sir. Okay, okay. I I will send everyone, I will send everyone certificate. Don't worry. Okay, but make sure you give the attendance, guys. Okay. I got your messages. I got your messages. Nagmaya, not here. Message me in my WhatsApp. Message me in my WhatsApp. How many days will the class will be each domain? Okay. I got your messages. Okay, I will send your offer letters. Offer letters. Sorry, I will send your certificates. I will send your certificates after this class. Okay, okay, guys. मैंने अभी भी तुम लोगों का मैसेज यहाँ पे रिसीव हो रहा है, लेकिन if I send offer letter now, then it gonna be late to our class, right? Okay, just drop a message with your name and your query, like you haven't received your certificate. Then I will send the certificate link to you. Okay, okay. I hope everyone understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, okay. So I hope you know me. Okay, so I have taken a class already. Okay, so those who uh, don't know me, okay, sir, please start the class. Yes, Sibajit. Yes, it is totally free. Okay, so my name is Arnab Roy. Okay, and I work on Codexintern and I am Python instructor. Yes, Varsha, you are right. Okay, so mostly I look into data science, AI/ML, and Python fundamental part. Okay, and I hope you join the yesterday's session, guys. Okay, which conducted by Rahul sir. Okay, and I hope he clarify your doubt. Okay, about internship and about this training programs. Okay, about this free training programs. Okay, okay. Let me clear one more thing. Then I will start the class. Okay, let me clear one more thing. Okay, okay. Many of you ask me that this is the internship related class or this gonna be separate learning class. Okay, so it's for both. Okay, so who enroll for Python? Okay, so this class will beneficial for them as well, and also who want to learn Python and claim their free certificate. Okay, they can also join this class. Okay, everyone will receive a free certificate from this, and who enroll for Python internship. Okay, so this will be also beneficial for them. ओके, सो इसको क्या बोलते हैं? एक तीर से दो पंछी मारना. ओके, एक कहावत है, तुम लोगों को पता होगा शायद. ओके, सो क्या, मुझे पता नहीं, एक तीर से या एक गोली से दो पंछी मारना, जाए, whatever. ओके, so let's start it. Okay, so today's class is, guys. Okay, this today's class is Python fundamentals. हाँ, yes, जय, एक तीर से दो शिकार. हाँ, तो मैं एक ही क्लास देके दो ही करवा दूंगा. एक इंटर्नशिप का ट्रेनिंग भी हो जाएगा, और फ्री सर्टिफिकेट का कोर्स भी हो जाएगा. तुम लोगों का भी टाइम बच जाएगा, मेरा भी टाइम बच जाएगा. ओके, व्हाट वुड ऑफर लेटर विल रिसीव, प्रिया? You will receive offer letter, don't worry. We will making, our team is making offer letter actually. Okay, okay, so let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Okay, I hope my screen is visible now. Okay, so first of all, what is Python? What is Python? Can anyone tell me? Okay, Python is the high level interpreted general purpose programming language. Okay, so what do you mean by high level interpreted language? Prasad, total duration of this class. ज़्यादा नहीं प्रसाद, around 9. Okay, around 9 p.m. or 8:30 can be, it can be 8:30. Yes, Shreya, it a computer language. Okay, so Python is the high level interpreted general purpose programming language. Okay, so I will explain and will show the practical as well. Okay, so first of all, let me show you how you can download Python. Then I will explain about peaks and benefits about Python. Okay, so we have, no, you have a very short time in our hand. Okay, so that's why I show you how to install Python, and I'm talking and showing you the practicals. Okay, so just go to your Google Chrome or any other browser. Okay, and just type python.org. Python, just type Python, nothing else, just type Python, and you can see here python.org website. Okay, this is the official Python website. Okay, just click this website to enter this, and click this download section and download this Python 3.13.5, which is our latest version of Python. Okay, so note that Python 3.9 plus cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. Okay, so I hope nobody use Windows 7 here. Okay, so please download this latest version of Python. Okay, so which is Python 3.13.5. Okay, just click here, just click here, it will download automatically. Then click, then install, next, then install. Okay, then it will install successfully. Okay, after installing, just go to your command prompt. Go to your command prompt and type python // या माइनस माइनस, कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, और version. Okay, then hit enter, and it show your Python version. Okay, it show the Python version. Okay, if it not show, then let me uh, comment, just comment here. Okay, 11 है, कोई बात नहीं. जावास्क्रिप्ट कल होगी, विपुल. हाँ, बोल भी सकते हो. It's the beginning of AIML class. Okay, as well. Okay, so for who enroll for data science and AIML, okay, so this is the basic Python class. Okay, so after that, I will provide data science and AIML classes as well. Okay, so this is the basic root class of three, like Python, data science, and AIML. Okay, okay. So after downloading, just check with Python // version. Okay, after checking this, write another command which is pip version. Okay, so it show your pip version as well. Okay, if it is not show, like it show pip is not recognized as internal or external comment, okay, like that, then let me know. Okay, I will share with you how can you resolve the issue. Okay, okay. So, hmm. So what is Python? Python is a high level interpreted general purpose programming language. Okay, so what do you mean by interpreted language? Can anyone tell me what do you mean by interpreted language? Yes, you can run it on VS Code terminal. संदीप मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज करो. Okay, can anyone tell me what is interpreted language and what is compiled language? Yes, yes, everyone can run this in VS Code terminal. Okay, yes, Pile Rajput, you are right. Interpreted language means line by line execute. Okay, and compiled language means first whole code will compile, then execute, then will give the output. Okay, so that's the basic difference between interpreted and compiled language. Okay, like examples for compiled language, there are C, C++, Rust, Java. Okay, and interpreted languages examples are Python, JavaScript, and Ruby. Okay, so actually there are disadvantages also for interpreted language, like generally slower execution speed compared to compiled language due to one by one line interpreted process. Okay, okay. Now, so why Python? Why Python is popular? Because its syntax is very easy. Okay, like English. Okay, जैसे तुम लोग इंग्लिश में लिखते हो. Okay, just like English. If you want to print anything for Java or JavaScript, you have to write system.out public class name, then public static void main, then system.out.println. Okay, like this. But for Python, you if you want to print something, just write print and your message. Okay, if you want to take a input from user, just write input. Okay, so it's very easy syntax and like English. Okay, and second point is huge community support and library support. Okay, so there are many library present in Python. Okay, so there are a huge community for Python. Okay, okay, so let's start it. How you can write your Python code. Okay, so I hope here know how to install VS Code or any other compiler. Okay, okay, just a minute. Let me show you. If you want to know how to install VS Code, just write VS Code, nothing, just write VS Code and go to first link, Visual Studio Code, and click the download button from here. Okay, it will download for your system. Okay, and you can write the download for Windows. Okay, and it download successfully. Then same as Python, just click and next, then run, install. Okay. Now let me open. Now let me open my VS Code in a particular folder. Okay. Just create a file for Python font. Font means fundamental. Okay. And click enter the folder and shift right click, then open with code. Okay. Okay. So how you can create a new file? Just click this icon, new file. Okay. And write your first Python file, which gonna be first dot py. Okay. So you have to write dot py. Okay. So this is mandatory for Python. So dot py means it's a Python extension and hit enter. Okay. Okay. So first code. If you want to print anything, okay, just write print. Just write print. Nothing. Print and hello world. Okay. Okay. So before we starting, okay, after downloading Python, okay, so VS Code generally automatic detect your Python interpreted, but in case if it's not detected automatically, just you write your Python file, okay, fast.py and click this portion, okay, click this portion, okay, okay, not this portion, click this portion actually, okay, this portion, and you see your Python interpreter. Okay, so I'm gonna use, I have 3.13.1. Okay, so I have two interpreted, so that's why it showed two option. Okay, in your case, you see only one, which is the latest version you have downloaded recently. Okay, so just click your Python interpreted from here. Okay, okay, so most of the case it's detect automatically. Okay, you don't have to click manually. Okay. हाँ अटेंडेंस मिलेगा सबको मिलेगा अटेंडेंस मिलेगा ओके ओके आफ्टर writing print hello world you have to see the run icon here. Okay, if you do not see here any run button, just click here. Okay, just click this extension and search here code runner code runner कहाँ चला गया भाई runner I guess. Yes, code runner. Okay, install it. Okay, just install it. Then you can see the run button here. Okay, and if you click the run button, it show the output, which is hello world. Okay, so congratulations, you have printed your first program with Python, which is hello world. Okay, okay, so this is your print something. Okay, how you can print any text. Okay, so if you write anything with the hashtag, so this is comment. It's called comment. Okay, this is a comment. Comment. What do you mean by comment? Comment is the normal text. Okay, which is not gonna execute with our program. Okay, so if you write any comment, it's don't consider as Python syntax. Okay, it's a normal text line. Okay, सर कुछ क्रेजी करो हाँ क्रेजी करूंगा ना क्रेजी तो करूंगा मैं तो हूँ ही क्रेजी करने के लिए if one didn't attend the live session, will they got not get offer letter? Offer letters से कोई इसका related नहीं है. Okay, Hema? So this is not related with your internship offer letter. Okay, this is the separate thing. Okay, but you can your internship classes. Okay, you can join these classes for your internship journey. Okay, but not affect your offer letter or anything. Okay, so this is single line comment. Okay, so if you want to line multi-line comments, okay, just put this, put 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 three quotation and write anything. So this is a multi-line comment. Okay, so this is also not gonna execute with our program. Okay, so this is the normal text as well. So this is single line comment and this is our multi-line comment. Okay, and this is our print syntax. Okay, now next part. Next part, variables and data type, data types, data types. Okay, so what is variable? Can anyone tell me what is variable? लूना मुंह ऐसा क्यों है? सैयारा मूवी देख लिया क्या? Yes, which can store the value. To store any value can be used reference. Okay, it stores some data. Variable is stored name memory location. Stored in a single variable. It's like container who stored the data to store the data. Okay, everyone is right. Variable like a container which value are stored. It's a container. कंटेनर नाम सुन के मेरा वो टिफिन वाला कंटेनर का याद आ रहा है जो कंटेनर में टिफिन रहता है ना वो रोटी चावल उसका याद आ गया ओके सो वेरिएबल इज नथिंग इट्स a name that stored the data okay so what does it mean like I can write any name of variable okay like a so a can be a variable so if I write a equals to 20 okay so a is a variable and the value of this variable is 20 okay so so 20 is stored in the name a okay इसका मतलब क्या हुआ इसका मतलब आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन हिंदी एज वेल हु डजंट नो इंग्लिश तो ए क्या है ए एक वेरिएबल है और ए में जो डेटा स्टोर है वो है 20 सो 20 इज स्टोर्ड इनसाइड द वेरिएबल उसका नाम क्या है उसका नाम है a okay so this is the variable okay so this is the concept of variable sir where are you from I'm from Kolkata I think 20 is stored somewhere and a is the pointer to address तो मैंने यहाँ पे कहाँ किया I told 20 is stored in a variable which the name is a okay I'm not tell to you 20 is stored inside a okay so 20 is stored in a variable which is name A. Okay. Okay. So common data types in Python. Okay. So there are few data types. Okay. So what do you mean by data types? So data types is the type of the data. Okay. Type of the data. Okay. So it can be number, it can be string. Okay. So if I write A equals to 20. Okay. So 20 is integer type data. Okay. So this is integer. So this is integer. Okay. And if I write B equals to 20.5. So this is your float data. Float. Okay. So what can you see the difference between integer and float? Integer means a proper number. Okay, not anything in decimal. Okay, but in float number, the float number value will be in decimal. Okay, like 20.5, 30.3486. Okay, or anything. Okay, so integer means a rounded number. Okay, so not anything with point or decimal. And float means your floating number, means a decimal number, 20 point something, 30 point something, 34 point something, 5478, anything. It can be anything. Okay. And we have another data type which is string, which is string. So string is nothing. String is a uh, letter or alphabets. Okay. So we represent the string within quotes. Okay, within double quotes. Okay, like if I write anything, name. Okay, just consider it with C. C equals to name. So this is gonna your string. This is your string data type. Okay, so string means any character, any letter, any sentence. Okay, anything. And integer means any number, but a rounded number, not decimal number. But in a decimal number, it can be float. Okay, and anything with text type or alphabetical or character, it it is considered as string. Okay, attendance. सब सबका क्लास रहेगा, सबका क्लास रहेगा. हंगामा गेमार. Okay, now we have another data type which is bool. Bool means boolean. Okay, so boolean is represent with true or false. Okay, so it either true or false. Okay, so boolean is represent with true. Okay, true, either true or false. Okay, so it's used in a logical condition. Okay, I will show, don't worry. Okay, so this is bool data type or boolean. Okay, so this is variables and data type. Okay, so I'm not gonna wasting any more time with the basic things. Okay, variables, data types. Okay, just use now type function. Okay, so before using type function, I just let me show you how you can print a variables. Okay, if you write print and a, if you write print a, sorry, not arithmetic error, print a and hit the run button. Okay, just comment this hello world. Comment this hello world and run again. Okay, so if you write print a, so it's print the value of a, right? Okay, so if you write print B. So it's print your floating number. Okay. So if you print C like this, it's print your text as well. Okay. So if you want to print all of this variable, okay, if you want to print all of this variable, okay, तुम लोगों का थोड़ा comment देख लेता हूँ. Okay, let me just give few minutes. It's not reading our comment. Jun Hojani, who said I'm not reading your comment? I'm reading your comment. Sequence character attendance. Okay. If you want to print all variables, you just write A, comma. Okay. Separate by comma variables. Okay. A, comma B, comma C. Please wait few minutes. After that, I will send the attendance link. Okay. I will send the attendance link with this comment section. After sending this attendance link, a Google Form link, okay, put your data in a Google Form link. After that, you mark as attendance. Okay, please wait and I will give the attendance link. Okay, don't ask me again about attendance link, attendance link. Okay, I will send at right time. Okay, okay, print A, B, C. Okay, okay, so you can see 20, 20.5 and name. Okay. It's all three variables has printed successfully. Okay. If you want to print like that, you just separate by comma. You have to separate by comma. Okay. How to get offer letter, offer letter? Okay. Everyone will receive offer letter. Okay. Just stay tuned. Okay. We are making your offer letter. Everyone will receive your offer letter. Okay. If anyone, if anyone do not get your offer letter, okay, uh, I will send my address to him or her. Okay, just attack my house. If anyone do not receive their offer letter, okay, I will send my address and attack my house. Okay, okay. So this is how you can print a variables. Okay, so if you want to print a text with variable, okay, if you want to print a text with variable, you can print like this. Print this is a text and this is a variable. This is a variable. Okay. After quotation, okay, after ending the quotation, just put a comma and give your variable name, which is A. Okay, like this structure. Okay. So you can see here, this is a text and this is the variable 20. Okay, so this is how you can print a combination of variable and text. Okay. Okay. Now see the type function. Okay. See the type function. If you want to know the data type of your variable, if you want to know the data type, okay. So just print and type, right? Type type. Type का spelling ठीक है ना? हाँ, type type and write a. And if you hit the run button, you can see class int. Class int means it's from integer class. Okay. It's from integer class. It's the integer type data. If you write type B, you can see class float, I guess. Yes, class float. That means it's a float type data. And if you write type C, you write type C, you can see the class str. Okay, that's str means string. Okay, and for boolean, you can see class bool. Class bool. Okay, so this is the type function to know what the type of your data or variable. Okay, now move to our taking input from user. How you can take inputs from user using input function. Okay, using input function. Okay, using this input function. Okay, just like this. If you write this input and this, okay, so you can type anything. You can type anything at your console. क्या हुआ अल्चमी हुई हुई क्यों कर रहे हो? Okay, so you can type anything at your terminal. Okay, if you print the input. Okay, just store the value of input inside a variable. Just store inside a variable. Okay, like user. It can be a variable. Okay, user equals to input. Okay, so if you put user equals to input, then all inputs which user will input will store into user variable. Okay, so if I run and write anything, it's stored into user variable. How you can check? Just print the user variable. Just print user variable. Then you can check if you type anything, then it's printed. Okay, it prints which you are type. Okay, yes, it's hold the value. Okay, so if you want to print some message, if you want to give printed message to user, okay, before taking input, just you can write your message inside this input function like this. Enter enter your enter your text. Okay, and you can print it with combination of text and variable, like you type you typed comma user. So you can see here is the how text, enter your text. Okay, so I can write type here anything, like क्या टाइप करूं, कुछ भी. Good. Okay, so you type good. Okay, like that. Okay, okay, now please tell me anybody, if I print uh, type type of user. Okay, so type, the purpose of type function, it show the type of variable. Okay, so type of the variable, which is integer or float or string or boolean or anything. Okay, so type function. Okay, so if I take input from user and print type user, means print the type of this variable. Okay, okay, and if I hit the run button and write here 1 2 3 4, and if I hit enter, what will be the output? Anyone tell me? If I write 1 2 3 4 and hit enter, what will be the output? String. Why string? File not 1234. I am right here type integer, string, integer. Okay. Yes, we know. Okay. So by default, the input function take any any of the input as a string. Okay. So if I enter 1234 and hit enter, it show the class str. Okay. Because user input take take a input from user by default as a string. Okay. Let me ask you another question. Okay. Then I will explain how you can convert it. If I write like this, if I write like this, a variable equals to 1234 and print type of var. Okay. And if I hit the run button, what will be the output? Can anyone tell me? Anyone can tell me what will be the output? Sir, what type of project we are assigned to get the certificate through internship? Rahul, your tasks will send tomorrow. ओके देख लेना ऐसा टक्स नहीं आएगा ओके कि अपना नाम प्रिंट करो ओके मोस्ट ऑफ यू राइट str एंड str इंटीजर कौन कौन लिखा इंटीजर लिखा ओके ओके गाइस जस्ट चेक लेट्स चेक if I hit run it's class str yes yes Shubhajit you are right it's print string because it's in a quotation okay so I have told you everything everything is in quotation is treated as string okay so it can be it can be text it can be number okay don't see that if anything present in inside the quotation it's considered as string okay इसके अंदर जो भी रहे वो string कहलाएगा okay it can be text it can be number okay it can be blank space it can be I it can be you okay कोटेशन के अंदर जो भी रहेगा okay अगर तुम भी रहो तो तुम भी एक string हो गए okay so like that so if I put the blank space and also run this so it's considered as string so because it's under the quotation okay so quotes के अंदर जो भी रहेगा वो string होगा everything people everything if I was inside this quotation so I would be string okay okay now my second question so 1234 okay so this is our string how I can convert it into integer मोबाइल के लिए कोई ऐप बता दीजिए सर कौन सा ऐप किस तरह का ऐप ये तो बताना पड़ेगा ना मोबाइल के लिए बहुत ऐप है किस तरह का ऐप चाहिए वो तो बोलना पड़ेगा ओके यस टाइप कास्टिंग सो हाउ वी कैन डू द टाइप कास्टिंग वर्षा Yes, I we can write an integer equals to 1 to 3. No, I want to convert the string into integer. Okay, just write var, the same variable name var equals to int. Int means our integer. Int, and inside int just give the variable name. Okay, so you can write another variable name as well. You can write var1, var your name, okay, your surname, your title, your date of birth. Okay, you can take any of your variable, your pet name. Okay, and if you write your second variable type, so you can see it's converted into integer. Okay, it's converted into integer. If I so this is known as typecasting. Okay, so this is known as typecasting. Okay, so this is our typecasting. Okay, now you guys, you tell me if I run this, क्या हो गया? Okay, I have to save the program. Okay, now if I run this and write 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's considered as class str. Okay, so if I want to convert it into integer, then how can we convert? What will be the syntax? Sorry, what will be the syntax? Okay, so you can write, oh, not here, sorry. You can write user equals to integer user. Okay, you can write this. Yes, yes, we know, you are right. Okay, so enter your text. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If I type, then it's considered as class integer. Okay, now the shortcut process is, so if I write user equals to int user. Okay, so what is the user mean? So this user is nothing, this user, and the value of this user is input, enter your text. Okay, so user input, it's stored as user variable, then the user variable converted by typecasting into integer. Okay, so if I write this thing, if I write this whole thing inside this, so this is the same thing now. So this is the same thing, right? And if I hit right run button and type 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's considered as integer. Easy है ना? कितना? Yes. Okay. So this is how can you can take input as a integer from user. Okay, and you can operation with them. Okay, तुम लोगों ने बहुत प्यार दिखा दिया मुझे. Okay, next part. Okay, so I hope this it's clear to everyone. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now our next topic. Next topic, then I will share the attendance link. Okay, just stay tuned. I will uh, I will show the operations in Python. After the operation portion, I will send the attendance link. Okay, just stay tuned and give your attendance and enjoy. Operators in Python. Okay, it's take hardly 10 to 15 minutes, not more than this. Okay, so let me give you two variable first. So first a equals to 10 and b equals to 3. So this is our 3, not 30. So this is our two variable, and two variable is integer, guys. You know, this is integer, right? Now, first arithmetic operators, not operation, operators. Okay. So if I want to add A and B, if I want to add, then I can add with print A plus B. If I write print A plus B, okay. So it's print 13. Okay. So 10 plus 3 is obviously 13. Okay. So if you want to subtract the value A minus B, so it's subtract the value. Okay, 7. Okay. So if you want to multiply the value A into not A into B. Okay. What will be the output? 10 into 10 into 3, 30. Wow. You all are very strong in math, unlike me. Okay. Now we have a trap. Okay. If I write A divided by B, okay, what will be the output? What will be the output for this section only? Okay. Remove this, comment this. Okay. What will be the expected output? What will be the output for A divided by B? 3.33. Let's say. Okay, so it's 3.333333 and 3. Okay, not 3, not 3. It's 3.333. Now, tell me one thing, guys. So, 10 is my integer number, right? And 3 is also integer number. But if I division this value, divide the 10 with 30, okay. So, what data type my output is? What type of data is? What type of data type? Joint. Sir, I know every syntax concept and theory, but when I try to code from scratch, I cannot do anything. Any solution? Uh, try from scratch, June. Just like for print, arithmetic operation, then try to move if else conditional statement. Okay, float. Okay, float. Yes, everyone is right. Okay, it's float. Okay, but I need my output as a integer, not float. How can I do that? I want my output as integer, not float, not this type of floating value. Okay. I want my result as integer. Just write print a a floor type. Yes, बिल्कुल. इसको बोलते हैं फ्लोर डिवीजन. Okay. With the help of double divide operator. Okay, so if I write print and a double divide b, okay, double divide b, then you can see the output. It's 3. Okay, and it's 3.333. If I put the single divide, it's our normal output, and if I put the double divide, it show 3, only 3. So that this is known as floor division. Okay, it's return only integer value. Yes, floor division. Varshitha, BR, Srija Reddy. Right. Okay. Okay. So we have another operator. It's known as power. So A and into B. Okay. If I write A into B, that's mean A to the power B. Okay, a to the power b मतलब 10 के पावर में 3. Okay, if I hit the run button, it's 1000. Okay, so that's mean 10 to the power 3. Okay, so a into. So this will be our arithmetic operators. Okay, you can store the value as well with another variable. Okay, you know guys. Okay, you can store the values with another variable like c equals to a plus b, c equals to a divided b. Okay, like this. Okay, I miss something. We have another operators which is modulus. A modulus b. So if I write a percentage b, so this is known as modulus. Okay, this is modulus function. Okay, so what will be the output? Anyone have any idea what is modulus function do? Modulus operator do? Harsha 1. Okay, if I hit the yes, it's the output 1. Okay, it's a reminder. It's a reminder, modulus or reminder. Okay. Yes, you are right. Okay, so those who don't know about what is the reminder. Okay, everyone know about reminder and what is reminder or what is modulus. Okay, if anybody don't know what is reminder, then tell me. I will show you what is reminder. Okay, everyone knows about reminder. Okay, yes, everyone know about reminder. Okay. Okay, ये एकदम basic things है. Okay, so this is the very basic things. Okay, so when you studied at class 5 or 6, you know about reminder and division. Okay, this is the basic things. Okay, so this is your reminder. Now we have our comparison operator. This is our this was our arithmetic operator, arithmetic arithmetic operators, not three, should have stack. And next comparison comparison operators. Okay, so what is comparison operator? When you compare the value, when you compare the value, if I compare the value, e print a greater than b. Okay, so those who don't know, this is known as greater than, and this is known as less than. Okay, so don't mismatch this. Okay, okay. The third portion is the smaller portion, and the hollow portion is the greater portion. Okay, remember with this thing. Okay, equal, not equal. Okay, Varsha, you know everything. Very good. And if I write print a greater than b, so which is true, obviously true. So the value of a is 10 and value of b is 3. Okay, so 10 is obviously greater than 3, right? Am I right, guys? 10 is greater than 3 ना? 10 3 से बड़ा है ना? Okay, so that's why it's print true. Okay, so what type of variable or what type of data type is it? What type of data type? So this is our Boolean. Okay, so this is our Boolean. So Boolean work with our logical or conditional statements or conditional operators. Okay, Booleans work with. Yes, this is Boolean. Okay, so if I write print A smaller than B, so obviously the output will be false. Okay, then if I want to compare the value, means equals to. Okay, so A equals to B. Okay, so let me tell you something. Can you guys tell me what's the difference between double equals to versus single equals to? Can anybody tell me what's the difference between them? What's the difference between them? Double equals to and single equals to. Yes, this is our assign operator. Okay, so this is our assign operator and this is my equal to operator, comparison operator, right? Okay, so when you compare any value with another value, we use this double equals to. Okay, and if you assign a value to a variable, okay, right to left, if you assign any value, any variable into any variable, like it can be integer, it can be float, string, anything. Okay, when you assign a value to a variable, just write a single equals to. So a equals to 10. That means you assign 10 inside the variable a. Okay, and if you put this double equals to, that means you compare two values. Okay, so if a and b is equal or not. Okay, so that's the difference. Yes, that's the difference. So if I write a equals to b, so obviously a is 10 and b is 3. So obviously its output gonna be false. False. And if I write this not equal to, just write print print a not equal to b. So not equals to sign is exclamatory equals to. Exclamatory equals to means it's not equal to. Okay, so it's true. Okay, so obviously it's true. Okay, okay. So this was our first Python code. How you can print your Python, then variable and data type, then how you can print, how you can take input from user, how you can use typecasting. Okay, then operators like arithmetic operators and comparison operators. Okay, anything I missed? I missed anything or not? Just let me check. Let me remember, guys. Okay, can anybody tell me I miss anything up to this portion, up to operators? Okay, not if else or not conditional statement. Okay, yes, I miss logical operators and bitwise operator. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, up to this portion, clear everyone? Please let me know. Then I will show you the logical operators and bitwise operator as well. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Attendance. I will give the attendance link after the. मैंने कहा था. I told you after the operation I will send the attendance link. Okay. So I have completed the operators part, but you guys tell me. I left the bitwise operator and logical operator. Okay. So after bitwise and logical operator, I will send the attendance link. Okay. Otherwise, I am sending. Okay, now I'm sending now. Yes, Saurav, please ask your question. Okay, so actually bitwise operators for bits only. Okay, so it's work on binary numbers. Okay, not Boolean logic. Okay, so it's useful in low level coding, Flug or encoding. Okay, so I'm gonna not show the bitwise operator for today. Okay, I'm only show the logical operators today. Okay, so bitwise operators only work with binary number. Okay, not Boolean logic. Okay, so that's why I'm just show the logical operator. Yes, yes, less than equals to. Okay, okay, this is the part of logical operator actually. This is the part of logical operator. Less than equal to, greater than equals to. Okay, okay. So we have three logical operators. We have logical operators. We have three logical operators. And, or, or, and not. Okay. Yes, comparison itself is a logical. Okay. So and means when both condition is true. Okay, true, then only true. Okay, and or means when any of condition is true, and not means reverse the boolean. Okay, okay, Varsha, we don't have XOR or XNOR in Python. Okay, so mm, suppose I have three variables like a equals to 10, b equals to 3, and c equals to 10. Okay, I have three variables a, b, and c. Okay, if I write like this, print a greater than b. Okay, so a greater than b and b greater than c. Okay, a greater than b. No, no, no. Wait, you guys write about and these pipelines. Okay, we don't use the logical operators and or for Python. Okay, we use and or. Okay, I have told you Python is just like English. Its syntax is very easy, just like English. Showed up, you can ask. I have told you, you can ask. Showed up. Okay, so if you write A greater than B and B greater than C, okay, so first condition is true, right? So obviously A is greater than B and B is greater than C. So whether B is greater than C or not, so obviously B is lesser than C, lower than C. Okay, so first condition is true and second condition is false, right? So that's why it's print false. Okay, so that's why it's print false. Okay, so if I write and C greater than B like this, then it can be true because both my condition is true, right? Yes, yes. Is there any attendance marking? Yes. Okay. And for odd operation, and for odd operations, just condition this. Okay. So if I write this, so for and it return me false. Okay. So if I put the odd here, if I put the odd operations here, okay. So A greater than B or B greater than C. Okay. So my first condition is true and second condition is false. Okay. So or condition is on or condition checks if any value is true, the output will be true. Okay. So one condition is true and another one is false. Okay. But or check if one condition is true, then another then it's return the true. Okay. So if both condition is true, then great, it's it's print true. Okay. And if any of those condition is true, then the output will be true. But in AND operation, it's check for both value, both condition. If both condition true, then will output that output will be true. Okay. And if the both condition is false, then obviously and or both both operators will return false. Okay, if both condition is false. Okay, and for not, okay, print like this, print not true. If you print, it's just reverse the boolean. If you print a not true, it returns false. Okay, means it's return the value. Okay, it's return, no, sorry, reverse the value. Okay, so if you write not false, it's return true, right? सर आप साउथ से हो क्या? किसका साउथ से? साउथ इंडिया? नहीं नहीं, मैं साउथ इंडिया से नहीं हूँ। मैं कहाँ से हूँ? ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ? ओके, नहीं मैं साउथ से नहीं हूँ। यस, सो दिस इज योर लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर। ओके, ओके, नाउ अटेंडेंस लिंक दे दूं क्या? हाँ, मैं ईस्ट से हूँ, वेस्ट बंगाल से। हाँ, तपस बंगाली हूँ। अटेंडेंस लिंक दे दूं? ओके राहुल, प्लीज सेंड द अटेंडेंस लिंक टू देम। राहुल, सेंड द अटेंडेंस लिंक। कहाँ चला गया वो? Okay, guys, after putting your attendance, okay, just back to my class. Okay, I will show the one more topic, which is if else. Okay, भाग मत जाना, एक और भी पार्ट दिखा दूंगा if else condition. Okay, after that you can go to your work. Okay, राहुल कहाँ चला गया? राहुल, प्लीज सेंड द अटेंडेंस लिंक। शायद वो नहीं है, मुझे ही देना पड़ेगा। छोड़ो राहुल सर को, छोड़ो मैं ही दे देता हूँ। यही है शायद। पाइथन फंडामेंटल क्लास। क्या क्या रखा है राहुल? ए गाय से मैंने नहीं बनाया, राहुल ने बनाया होगा शायद। फुल नेम, ईमेल, मोबाइल नंबर, फीडबैक फॉर द क्लास। ओके, फीडबैक दे देना। ओके, मुझे गाली वाली मत दे, दे दिया, राहुल ने दे दिया। राहुल ने दे दिया। ओके। ओके गाइस, फिल द हमें I will start AIML classes soon. Okay, so this is the basic part, the basic Python. Okay, so this is related to AIML. Okay, okay, बस कर, बस कर। कितना देगा? Okay, after putting your attendance back to the class. Okay, okay, after putting your attendance, please comment here done. Okay, everybody, please comment here done. Then I will continue. Sir, 1 minute. Okay, when we get certificate. Sir, my certificate is not valid in your website. I know there was a system glitch with our server, so that's why it's happened. But we are working on that. Okay, it's resolved within 2 to 3 days. When we get the certificate. Okay, after completing this class, you get the certificate. सर फ्रंट एंड की क्लास की टाइमिंग क्या रहेगा? फ्रंट एंड का क्लास कल है, आई गेस, बिल्कुल। और फ्रंट एंड का क्लास का टाइमिंग है, एक सेकंड में देख के बताता हूँ। मैं नहीं लूंगा, वो राहुल लेगा। फ्रंट फ्रॉम 8:30, ओके, टुमारो फ्रॉम 8:30 p.m. ओके, फ्रंट एंड क्लास विल बी देयर। ये ईमेल होगा, इसके बाद ही होगा, पाइथन फंडामेंटल के बाद ही होगा। ओके, सो everybody done attendance, please let me know. Data science class and AI email internship when will start? Internship will start from tomorrow and classes will be there soon. कितना अटेंडेंस आ गया है देख लेते हैं। ओके, आई क्लोज द फ्रॉम विद इन 9 p.m. ओके, सो क्विकली गिव योर अटेंडेंस। ओके, आई डोंट क्लोज द फ्रॉम एक्चुअली, राहुल विल क्लोज। ओके ओके ओके, क्लास स्टार्ट करना होगा। ओके, नाउ लेट्स कंटिन्यू। सर हमें कितना सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा? देखो, इस पी क्लासेस का सर्टिफिकेट तो मिलता रहेगा, बट इंटर्नशिप का जो इंटर्नशिप का सर्टिफिकेट है वो तो एक ही मिलेगा। ओके, नाउ लेट्स कंटिन्यू टू आवर टॉपिक। ओके, Now, और next part, if else condition. Okay. सर टाइमिंग कम कर दो। अरे किसका टाइमिंग कम करूँ? ठीक से बोल। क्लास का टाइमिंग और कुछ और के बारे में बात कर रहा है। ठीक से बोल। if else condition, if else condition. ओके ओके ओके, आई विल कंटिन्यू द क्लास। सर मुझे मंड का इंटर्नशिप सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा अगर सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट करते हो, तो क्यों नहीं मिलेगा? मैं कौन होता हूँ सर्टिफिकेट रोकने वाला? मेरे हाथ में कुछ नहीं है। मैं सर्टिफिकेट रोक भी नहीं सकता, सर्टिफिकेट दे भी नहीं सकता। Orno will be offline for next 30 minutes. If you want, you can again on the from response. Okay, okay. Let's do the if else condition part. Then I will end the class here. Okay, okay, okay. I will share the project. Okay. So if else. Okay. So just put two variables, one and two. B will be our three. Okay. How I can set a condition? क्लास का ड्यूरेशन कम कर दो। अभी 1.5 घंटा ही हुआ है, हो जाएगा। ठीक है, और एफएल्स करूंगा हार्डली ये इट्स टेक 5 to 10 minutes, देन आई विल एंड द सेशन। ओके, डोंट वरी। ओके, नाउ if else condition. Okay, so how you can write your if else condition? Write if it's first class, Rahul. If a is greater than b, so if a is greater than b, then put a, इसको क्या बोलते हैं इसको, कोलन। ओके, put a colon. ओके रंजन, थैंक यू रंजन। और if a is greater than b, Ranjan, this is our first payment actually, 20 rupees. Thank you very much. Okay, so if a is greater than b, print a is a text, a is greater than b. Okay, so if its condition is true, then it print a is greater than b. Okay, now check with user input. Okay, now I'm talking fast. Okay, okay, just give a variable named age. Age is equals to integer and input. Okay, so you know guys, what does it mean? I have shown. Okay, so enter your age. Okay, so whether you put your age as a string, it converted as a integer. Okay, now let's check if age is greater than equals to. Okay, so this is our AND operation. Okay, you can say this is AND operation. Okay, so greater than equals to. Okay, so it should be greater than, and it should be in equals to. Okay, okay, okay. So sorry, this is OR operation, guys. Okay, so it has to be greater than, or it can be equals to. Okay, this is OR operation actually. Okay, so if any condition is true, then the result will be true. Okay. If age is greater than equals to 18, then your colon and print you are adult. You are adult. Okay. And else portion. We have else. Else means agar na ho to. Okay. Else means the opposite of if. Else, then colon, same colon, then print you are underage. You are underage. Okay. इंटर्नशिप के लिए कैसे अप्लाई करें? इंटर्नशिप के लिए जस्ट आई सेंड द लिंक टू यू गाइस. इस फॉर्म को फिल कर दो within today. Okay, because internship will start from tomorrow. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so if my condition is if age is greater than or equals to 18, then it prints you are adult. And if age is smaller than 18 or not equals to 18 or smaller than 18, means both condition will be false, then the result will be else portion. Okay, so you are underage. Let's try this code. Okay, so it's take the age. So my age is 42. Okay, and if I hit enter, so you are adult. Okay, so I am adult. Okay, so if I enter my age, like my age is 15. Okay, and if I hit enter, then you are underage. Okay, okay, attendance link is not longer acceptance. Rahul, please open the attendance link for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, okay, and we have another statement which is if else. Elif. Okay, so what is elif? Elif is okay. Don't worry, guys. Stay till the end. I will open the attendance link from at the end of this class. Okay. If Rahul is not present, I will open the attendance link from. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. What is the concept of elif? So elif means multiple condition. Okay. If or elif like that. Okay. सर डेली ये टाइम पे क्लास होगा. देखो मेरा जो क्लास है लाइक पाइथन डेटा साइंस एंड एआईएमएल इसी टाइम से ही होगा लाइक 7:30. और जो फ्रंट एंड का या बैक एंड का जो क्लास होगा वो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली फ्रॉम 8:30 से होगा. ओके ओके so I have a variable marks integer input. Okay, so take a input from user and store into a variable marks. Okay. Okay. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. I will open the attendance link at the end of this class. Okay. Okay, showed up. Just complete the elif portion, then the session will end. Okay. Enter your marks. Okay. So if marks is greater than equals to 90। अगर 90 से ज्यादा या 90 हो तो क्या होगा? प्रिंट ग्रेड A। We have elif। Elif means else if, which is our second condition. If elif marks is greater than equals to 75, then print print grade B, and another elif marks is greater than equals to 60, then print grade C. Okay, and else means if the marks value is lower than 60. Okay, if any condition doesn't match, okay, greater than 90, greater than 75, greater than equals to 60. Okay, if any condition doesn't match, that means it's lower than 60. So in that case, it prints fail. It's print fail. Okay. Okay, enter your marks. If I write like 45, so it's fail. Okay. So if enter your marks. So if I enter my marks as 96, so it's grade A. If I enter my marks as like क्या enter करना करा जाए like 80. Okay, so that's is grade B, means this portion. And if I enter my marks as 65, so it's grade C. Okay, so these are my all conditions. Okay, so if elif means my second condition. Okay, if अगर A हो, अगर A ना हो तो अगर A हो। Okay, मतलब our my second condition। Okay, so this is the portion of else if elif। Okay, so guys, for you I have a small project for you। Okay, just एक बार try करना। Just make a mini calculator, simple calculator। Okay, जैसे यूजर से दो नंबरों का इनपुट लेगा और एक ऑपरेटर्स लेगा लाइक प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन। ओके, अगर ऑपरेटर अगर प्लस चूज करे तो एडिशन हो जाएगा, अगर माइनस चूज करे तो सब्सट्रैक्शन हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन चूज करे तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा, और अगर कुछ और चूज कर दे तो इनवैलिड हो जाएगा। ओके, ओके, so this will be your homework। Okay, so for the next class I will show the loop and list, dictionary and tuple। Okay, that is for that's for today। Okay, okay, now I will send the attendance link। I will open the attendance link again, guys। Just let me open the where to post the homework, sir, where to post your homework। Okay, try yourself। Okay, if you face any problem then let me know, try yourself। Okay, from is open for next 2 minutes, just go and give your attendance। Okay, just go or give your attendance। From is open for 2 minutes। Thank you, Varsha. Thank you very much. Varsha and Ranjan, very very thank you. 20-20 रुपया हो गया. Thank you from Maharashtra. Thank you, Saurabh. सर इंटर्नशिप ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन होगा? अजीत, कोलकाता में आके इंटर्नशिप कर सकते हो? अगर आके कर सकते हो तो चले आओ ऑफलाइन. अगर नहीं आ सकते हो तो ऑनलाइन ही होगा. राइट. सर ऑफर लेटर कब मिलेगा? कैप्टन, ऑफर लेटर मिल जाएगा कैप्टन. जल्दी ही ऑफर लेटर मिल जाएगा. इस्माइल शायद. थैंक यू. ऑफर लेटर मिल जाएगा कैप्टन. Okay, have you guys filled the attendance link, attendance form? Now can I close the response? Sir, when and how will get the offer letter? You will get your offer letter within this week. Okay, within this week we are making your offer letter and you will receive via your email. Okay. इस क्लास का सर्टिफिकेट कब मिलेगा रिद्धि? इस क्लास का और एक या और दो क्लास होगा. ओके, उसके बाद इसका सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा. Sir, can we attend front end and Python class parallelly for knowledge purpose? Yes, Varshita. Why not? जरूर अटेंड कर सकते हो. थैंक यू शीतल. जरूर अटेंड कर सकते हो. Okay, so we have arranged those classes like this. Okay, not overwrite it with multiple classes. Okay, like आज Python होगा तो कल front end होगा, परसों back end होगा, like this. Okay, thanks from Kerala. Okay, Kerala is great state. Can you repeat the homework? Homework is nothing, Swapnali, just make a simple calculator. Make a simple calculator, like take a input from user and take a operators as well from user, like if you user put plus or minus or multiplication. Okay, just put this, just do the operations. Okay, and show the output. Just simple operate, simple calculator, nothing. Okay, now I'm gonna close the from. Okay, अभी भी response आ रहा है. देखो, इस सिंपल ऑपरेटर्स, इस सिंपल कैलकुलेटर का प्रोजेक्ट कहीं पे भी सबमिट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? वर्षा, आई एम फ्रॉम कोलकाता. कोलकाता, वेस्ट बंगाल. ममता बनर्जी. गुजरात. ओके. गुजरात मीन फ्रॉम नरेंद्र मोदी की स्टेट से. वेरी गुड. सर, इफ वी अटेंड द रेगुलरली बट इफ आई मिस टू क्लासेस देन आई. देखो, क्लास ही तो होगा 3 या 2, तो उसमें से क्या 2 मिस करोगे अक्षया? कर्नाटक का. बेंगलोर. जीवन. वेरी गुड. Okay, Luna, you don't need to submit the homework. Okay, so this is the basic homework. Okay, so it's simple calculator. Okay, you have to submit your internship start tasks. Okay, which we are provide tomorrow. उत्तराखंड, मैं उत्तराखंड एक बार गया था। ओके, what type of tasks will we be given in the internship? जो टास्क होगा वो बेसिक तो नहीं होगा, वो जो इंडस्ट्री में जो काम होता है उसी हिसाब से ही होगा, ऑब्वियसली। Sir, can I apply for Python development internship and AI internship at the same time? Yes, you can. हरिद्वार, हरिद्वार भी एक बार गया था मैंने, बहुत अच्छा जगह है। इंटर्नशिप कब से चालू होगा? कैप्टन, फ्रॉम टुमारो। ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू। और वेरी वेरी थैंक यू, स्पेशली थैंक यू टू रंजन एंड वर्षा to sending us 20 rupees. Okay. So what's your qualification? First, my qualification is just BCA. I'm BCA graduate. इंटर्नशिप का टाइम उस तरह से नहीं होगा, लाइक एक टास्क बेस्ड इंटर्नशिप रहेगा। तो एक टास्क दिया जाएगा विद इन द गिवन टाइमलाइन, लाइक 31 अगस्त यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द टास्क। ओके, तुम कभी भी कर सकते हो। ओके, तो ऐसा कोई मैंडेटरी नहीं है कि तुम्हें एक दिन में 8 घंटे काम करना है या 7 घंटे काम करना है, ऐसे नहीं। तुम अगर एक दिन में कर सकते हो तो एक दिन में कर लेना, बाकी 29 डेज चिल करोगे। आई एम ऑल्सो बीसीए फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स। ओके अक्षिता, वेरी गुड। कंप्लीटेड बीसीए, सुभजीत, यस कंप्लीटेड एमसीए। ओके, वेरी गुड। शेयर द इंटर्नशिप लिंक अगेन। सबमिट विद इन टुडे। ओके, okay Sunil, see, actually our internship workshop, okay, will covered with these topics. ओके, सो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब हम लोग क्लासेस देंगे, उस क्लासेस से तुम लोगों का जो है वो इंटर्नशिप का टॉपिक्स भी कवर हो जाएगा, और एक फ्री सर्टिफिकेट लर्निंग कोर्स भी होगा। तो जो सीखना चाहते हैं, जैसे कोई लोग अगर पाइथन के लिए अप्लाई किया है बट वो फ्रंट एंड को सीखना चाहते हैं, तो वो भी क्लास कर सकते हैं विथ फ्री सर्टिफिकेट। ओके, तो मैंने पहले ही बोला था, इसको बोलते हैं एक तीर से दो निशाना। ओके, completed BCA. Very good, Varga. Okay, so I have completed BCA a long time ago, and then currently I'm doing job with a AI company. मुझे सीखा है सुमित मुखर्जी। Sir, I have learned pandas, numpy. What should I learn for next for data science? San Sahajahan, learn matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization. Okay, learn matplotlib and data visualization. Company name. Oh, I have worked with Globsin. Okay, I don't know. You have. listen about Globsin or not. Okay, so I have worked with Globsin AI Workspace company. Okay, thank you. ओके, नहीं नहीं, इस सर्टिफिकेट का कोई फीस नहीं होगा. आई कंप्लीटेड जावा इन डीएसए. नाउ आई लर्निंग दिस. वेरी गुड. एमसीए फाइनल. वेरी गुड. अरे कल के क्लास में तो राहुल ने बोला ही था इसका क्या क्राइटेरिया है ना है. व्हाई डू यू नॉट आंसरिंग माय क्वेश्चन? प्रसाद, व्हाट वाज योर क्वेश्चन? सब आई हैव स्किप्ड आई गेस. कैन यू ड्रॉप योर क्वेश्चन अगेन, प्रसाद? इंटर्नशिप डोमेन में बैकएंड और पाइथन डेवलपमेंट कर सकते हैं. हाँ हाँ, कर सकते हो, क्यों नहीं. प्रसाद, प्लीज ड्रॉप योर क्वेश्चन अगेन. How many days lecture and when will I get the certificate? Okay, most probably 2 more days for this class. Then you will get the certificate. Captain, what was your question? कोई फी है क्या सर्टिफिकेट का? कल तो राहुल सर क्लास ने सब कुछ क्लियर करके बताया है. फिर क्यों क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो? रिद्धि, क्या क्वेश्चन? सर, कैन यू आंसर माय क्वेश्चन? रिद्धि का क्वेश्चन क्या था? सर, हाउ टू फिल द डिफरेंट इंटर्नशिप डोमेन. जस्ट फिल द फ्रॉम ट्वाइस. ओके, दोबारा फिल अप कर दो. एक बार एक डोमेन सिलेक्ट करके फिल अप करो. देन दूसरे बार और एक डोमेन सिलेक्ट करके फिल अप करो, हो जाएगा. ओके, थैंक यू. हाउ विल गेट द सर्टिफिकेट? ओके, सर्टिफिकेट भेज दिया जाएगा तुम लोगों को ईमेल में. ओके, नो, जाओ तुम लोग. हो गया, खाना वाना खा लो, डिनर विनर कर लो. और थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग दिस क्लास एंड थैंक यू हर्षा एंड रंजन फॉर सेंडिंग अस 20 रुपीज अगेन. ओके, मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट पेमेंट. मैं और राहुल इस पैसे से पानी पूरी खा जाऊंगा. और थैंक यू एवरीवन. थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग दिस क्लास एंड सी यू ऑल इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, और कल जो है फ्रंट एंड का क्लास है 8:30 बजे से. ओके, बाय वर्षा एंड थैंक्स. एंड कल फ्रंट एंड का क्लास है 8:30 बजे से राहुल सर का. ओके, तो तुम लोग कर सकते हो. क्या हुआ प्रसाद? गुस्से में क्यों हो? तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन आया ही नहीं. ओके, तो मैं और एक बात क्लियर कर देता हूँ. तो सब लोग जब भी तुम लोग कमेंट करते हो ना, सब कमेंट आता नहीं है एक्चुअली. अरे तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन आया ही नहीं प्रसाद, देखो. तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे आया ही नहीं. यहाँ पे देखो, व्हाई तुम्हारा ए वाला पोर्शन था. व्हाई डू यू आर नॉट आंसरिंग माय क्वेश्चन. देन उसके बाद देखो तुम्हारा ए वाला. हाउ मेनी डेज विल बी द इंटर्नशिप बी? दिस इज फॉर 1 मंथ इंटर्नशिप. कल का टाइमिंग है 8:30 बजे से. तो फ्रंट एंड का क्लास रहेगा. ओके, तो तुम लोग मुझे टेक्स्ट कर चुके हो जिसने भी क्लास का सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिला जिसको. तो आई विल सेंड द सर्टिफिकेट टू देम. ओके, विद इन नेक्स्ट फ्यू आवर्स. डोंट वरी, यू विल रिसीव. ओके, एक एक करके मैं भेज दूंगा. हाँ हाँ, सब कुछ कवर होगा, AIML भी कवर होगा, जरूर कवर होगा ना। ओके, यू डोंट नो हिंदी, आंसरिंग इन इंग्लिश। ओके प्रसाद, I not get your question. Okay, you can see here, I not receive your question actually. Okay, your last comment is here, and then your comment is here. I'm not get your question. Okay, this is glitch for frontend. Is it frontend because I have applied for frontend? Okay, for every domain will start from tomorrow. Okay, sir, पानी खाबो, खा लो पानी. This is what's this is? अभी सर्टिफिकेट मिल रहे हैं क्या? नहीं, रिवेंज, तुम तो रिवेंज लेने वाले हो, नाम ही है रिवेंज तुम्हारा। तो सर्टिफिकेट अगर नहीं मिलेगा तो रिवेंज ले लेना मुझसे। ओके गाइस, इट्स 9:28, नाउ इट्स टाइम टू एंड द स्ट्रीम हेयर। हाँ कवर होगा सुनील, कवर होगा। ओके गुड नाइट। यस गुड नाइट एवरीवन, गुड नाइट एंड थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग दिस क्लास, थैंक यू थैंक यू। ओके सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास, और यू कैन ज्वाइन द टुमारोज रिएक्ट क्लास। ओके। नहीं कैप्टन, मेरे को काला जादू नहीं आता, अगर आते थे तो मैं क्या यहाँ पे क्लास लेता? मैं यहाँ पे पाइथन का क्लास नहीं लेता अगर मुझको काला जादू आता तो। काला जादू करके ही मैं अपना जेब गरम कर लेता ना। ओके गुड नाइट, गुड नाइट, थैंक यू। ओके, लेट्स एंड द स्ट्रीम हेयर। ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन, नाउ आई एम साइनिंग ऑफ। ओके, थैंक यू।